Hey y'all, get up and dance with Qai Qai. Back to school style. Are you ready to go back to school? Me too. I love learning new things. Like the 3 back-to-school dance moves we're going to work on today. The dancers are called the Star Student, the Raise Your Hand, and Turn the Page. Remember to watch until the end for a dance party. Ready? First is the Star Student. As long as you pay attention and try your best, you can't go wrong. Let's try it out. Wow, great job! You really are a Star Student. Ready for the second move? Great! This one is called Raise Your Hand. Take your hand and move it like this. Then move your body like this. Amazing! Let's try it faster. A++. Whoa, time flies when you're having fun. Let's learn our last dance before the dance party. Our last dance move is turn the page. Copy me. Let's try that again. Move your body like this. Now let's go faster. Even faster. Turn the page. Turn the page. Turn the page. I love reading stories about dancers. Wow, you're great. Guess what? We've learned all the dances. Do you know what that means? It's time for a
dance party.
Hit it, Ruff Ruff. Star Student. Raise your hand. Turn the page. Turn the page. Star Student. Raise your hand. Turn the page. Turn the page. Freestyle! Listen to your body and see how it wants to move. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. That was so much fun. You aced it. Ruff Ruff, the dance party is over. But you can get a gold star too. Thanks for dancing back into school with Qai Qai. See you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.